Michael, before you cross the line, the time is open. You have 3 to 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
As soon as I say report, you can start.
Yes, sir.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Report!
Yeah! That's my dad!
Hi, I'm Alejandro Paulino, on Los Angeles, Nevada, and representing the Sin City Drillers. Report 10 of the World Drill Championships. Request permission to continue on with the solo Expedition Drill Fence. Sir!
Carry on!
Sir! Thank you! Sir!
Here it is.
Yeah! Let's go, bring it home!
Sir! This completes my routine. Request permission to exit your drill deck. Sir!
Carry on!
Sir! Thank you! Sir!